Hey guys, what is up? Vortex here. Today, it's gonna be my first video and my first PvP series episode, I guess, on Minage. And I started like around 20 minutes ago, 30, I don't know. But this is gonna be my teammate, I guess, throughout the series. He has a YouTube channel as well. He just started, so go subscribe, like his videos. He's currently doing a giveaway, so go on that as well. And I guess this is gonna be this is his sugar farm. And um yeah, I'm gonna try to build a sugar farm next to him. Not sure, cause I did slash wild and I went back to spawn. I forgot to set home, cause I guess I'm retarded. So yeah, right now we're gonna be in the process of making a sugar farm. So that's something you wanna bury up. So we're gonna go shop, buy some sand, and yeah. So pause the video here, and I guess resume when I'm done or in the process of making it. You'll see. So I just finished it, and that's his, and that's mine, the small one. His are obviously, well, his thing or his sugar farm is obviously bigger. He has two sides right there, so he has like two pies, whatever. So mine's just one. Um, yeah. So I don't really know how to make these that much. I guess they're easy, but like I don't know like if you can like plant in the corner and it'll grow or something. But I guess so. What the hell? He had like a whole bunch right there. Anyways, it's gonna be it for this episode, I guess. Next episode, probably do some PvP and maybe talk to my partner. Not sure, or my new teammate. Yeah, he's obviously he's been helping me out through the series by starting me, getting me right here. If he, if I hadn't met him, probably still would have been walking since my slash wild isn't able to use. So yeah. Um, so tune in for next episode, I guess.